Hey guys, what is up? It is Willy Wonka Chocolate Bar, and today we're going to do a review on the Nerf Buzz-Bee Double Shot Shotgun. So I did finish all my pistols. So let's get into this review. Okay, so it is double shot. It has two barrels on the side, storage compartment. Yeah, not much to say about this blaster. Let's get into the pros and cons of this blaster. Okay, so the pros, it has a storage, which is nice, and it takes shells, which is nice. It's kind of like realistic because it takes shells and stuff. And also, this series has a really easy bulb. Okay, for the cons of this gun, the door is hard to open. Kind of like locks into place, and like you need to close it a certain way to shoot it far. Kind of a con for this gun, and I'll see you in the shooting test. So we're at the shooting test. Just a quick thing to load it. So yeah. So first, you cock it like all the way. So it's kind of like this. You put the shells in with the bullets. Then you close it really hard and you're ready to fire. Okay, so I'm going to put this in camera angle. You guys can see. So let's fire this thing. That didn't really fire. That didn't really fire the second one. Let's try it again. Alright, let's do it. I guess that one can't fire, I guess. So that was it for you guys. The subscribe button's up here. You can click it. You're into some real good reviews if you click that subscribe button. Anyways, I'm gonna leave it for the whole video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.